We are going to study our part number 3rd of the history of the novel. Part number 3, third part. In the third part, we will discuss the meaning and definitions of novella. Novel, the definitions of novel is this is a prose fiction, and it is in a short. It is shorter than full-length novel and longer than short story. The features are well structured. Short narrative. It is in a form of short narrative, and sometimes it will highlight the theme of the novel. It would be a satiric in nature or realistic. It will reflect the reality, or it may be the satire. Satire means to make the mockery on any subject. For example, if any politician he makes any mistake, or he passed means any policy which is not in the favor of the people. So in the social media side, what we see, people make the fun. Okay, so it is a humoristic in nature. Satire means it is a taunt, but it is in a means in simple language we can say it is just like a mockery, make fun. Okay, satire, or it is based on reality. It may be on satiric form, or it may be on realistic form. In tone, its toning is realistic and based on truth. Realistic means based on truth, fact. It will reflect fact, or either satire in tone. Next is short narrative. It would be a short narrative. Short narrative means continuous flow of thought. It will reflect the continuous flow of thought about the character, about the story. Story would be in a short narrative form. Then focus on one incident or issue. It focus on one incident. Only one story will be there. There will be only one incident would take place, and whole story is dependent on only one incident. Okay. Then next, or issue. One or two main character. There may be one characters, one or two characters. Okay, or two main characters, one or two main characters, and the whole story would revolve around these two main characters. And minor characters are given less importance in the novel. If you see the movie, in movie also minor characters are given less importance. And what happened? The minor characters, they plays a very significant role to proceed forward the story of the novel or either drama. Okay, they are coming and they are saying their dialogue on the stage in drama, and in this way the story proceed forward. It goes ahead. Okay, their role is to give the momentum to the story. Minor character in the drama or either in novel also same thing happened. In movie also, if you see minor characters, they are having a limited role. And there are two main characters. Then next, one or two main characters. It takes place at a single tradition. The story will run at a single tradition. It will run in a single one setting. Okay, so these are the features of novel. In the exam, 2 marks question would be asked to you. What is the definition of novel? So you have to write the definition. This is a prose fiction. Novel is a prose fiction. It is written in a prose form and shorter than full-length novel. It is novel is a shorter than full-length novel. Its story is limited. There will be limited character. Story would be short. And sometimes it will ask, what are the features of novel? So at that time you must know. It is well structured, short narrative, satiric or realistic in tone. Its tone is satiric, humorous. Okay, in the form of comedy, and it will reflect the reality in tone. Then next, focus on one incident or issue. Only one incident will take place. Okay, and one issue. Then what happened? One or two main characters, they will continue. They will be on the scene, and directly they will say their dialogue, and in this way the story would proceed forward. Then takes place at a single tradition. So these are the features of novel. Question may ask you in the exam for 2 marks. So you must know the short definition of novel. Novel is a prose fiction. In the previous video also we have discussed this definition of novel, shorter than full length novel and longer than short story. Okay, and features are given here. Then next is novella. What is novella? Novella, the Italian word, it is means both are the same, but thing is that only the spelling is different, functions are the same. So novel, this is novel, it is in English we say it is novel, but in Italian word its meaning is new. Its meaning is new. Novella means new. It came this new form came in the United Kingdom at the time of 18th century. But here novel or novella, you can say either novel or novella. So the famous English novellas are, these are the name of the writer who wrote the famous English novella. So here famous English novellas are The Heart of Darkness. It is written by Joseph Conrad, very famous English writer. Okay, Joseph Conrad. Next, Turn of the Screw is a novel written by Henry James. Next, Billy Bird, written by Herman Melville. Next, Death in Venice, it is written by Thomas Mann. These are the famous writers, novella, famous English novella. Seize the Day is written by Saul Bellow. Saul Bellow is a Jewish writer. Okay, he is a Jew, Saul Bellow. Pearl, John Sternberg. Who wrote Pearl? John Sternberg. So these are the famous English novellas. Sometime the question may ask in the exam, name some famous English novellas. So you have to write all this name of the writer and their work of art, novel. Okay, so in only the spelling there is a difference. Novel, novel, N-O-V-E-L-L-E, novel. This is a novel, and its definition, both the definitions are same, but thing is that it is derived from the Italian word. In Italian word, novel is known as novella in Italian language, but in English we say novel. Okay, this is the other difference, and these all are the famous English novellas. Now let us have a glance over the text, then we will proceed forward for our next passage. Textbook page number 175. Novella. A novella, the word originated from the Italian word novel. The Italian word novel. This novella is derived from Italian word novel, which means new. Is a type of prose fiction which is shorter than a full-length novel and longer than short stories. It is a well-structured yet short narrative, often satiric or realistic in tone. It usually focuses on one incident or issue with one or two main characters and takes place at a single tradition. Some of the famous novellas in English are The Heart of Darkness by Joseph Conrad, Billy Bird is written by Herman Melville, Death in Venice by Thomas Mann, Seize the Day by Saul Bellow, Pearl by John Sternberg. So these are the famous novellas of an English language, and in this way the novellas became too much popular in the 18th century, and all the novelists they select only one story and limited characters, and in this way they make their work of art popular by writing their work of art. So these are the difference between Italian word and English word. Okay, so we will discuss now next passage.